In today's video, we are going to find out what happens when you light a giant rubber band ball on fire. Guys, we've heard that some interesting things happen when you light a rubber band ball on fire, so we're going to try this with a giant one.
That's not very giant. How many did you add?
2,000. In case anybody's wondering about how long this took, Lord of the Rings Two Towers Extended Edition.
Here's the idea. We're gonna test burning out a regular sized rubber band ball, and then we're gonna upgrade to an ultra sized rubber band ball. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build a fire. We're gonna try putting our small rubber band ball into the fire, but we weren't satisfied with just seeing it this size. So that's why we upgraded.
That's true, but there is a few things I wanna do with this before we destroy it. I wanna drop it off of something. All right. Not even close. Oh, so close. One more.
Boing.
Yeah! There we go.
Boing, boing, boing.
So I just remembered something. I'm afraid of heights.
We've now got a setup that should be able to direct some heat right onto our rubber band ball for as long as we want. So we're gonna start with the little one, see how that goes, and then upgrade.
And now we run away. There's no such thing as too much fire, Nate. There's just not enough tension on this smaller rubber band ball to do much or to look very cool. It's just kind of melting. It's pretty much just on fire now at this point. If we use both of these burners, we're gonna get a lot of fire, but you're not actually gonna see the rubber bands themselves snapping, so we're gonna stick with one burner for now, see what happens. Already! Yeah, that's gonna pop mark there. Oh, there it goes. This is the world's most dangerous game of soccer. Okay, before I put this back in the fire, let's take a look at what's happened. That is probably 400 rubber bands right there. Oh, this burned away an entire side. Can you see that? You can kind of see here, it burns, but then they spark, and when they start to get a little bit tighter, they fling in every direction. This is probably the hardest layer for me to do, just with how tense some of these rubber bands are. So hopefully they should start flinging off, and it looks pretty cool. There, perfect. So all those little sparks are flinging pieces of melted rubber that are still on fire. It's like a mini fireworks show. Every single layer is just pulling off into pow! All right, don't stand that close. They are actually hitting Nate's coat while he's working. They're not on fire, but they were hitting him. Now initially I wanted to try this project because this is how golf balls used to be made. They used to have a thick rubber core, and then they would wind rubber bands around it before putting on that plastic shell. Now some may still be made like that, but most of them aren't. So making a rubber band ball is another really good way to kind of see that reaction of tossing a golf ball in a fire, which some people have done. I've heard about it, so I wanted to see what would happen. guys, that's all we've got for you today, but the fun doesn't end there. If you hit that box up at the top, it will take you to our latest video. The box at the bottom will take you to what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And if you hit this bomb in the middle, you'll subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.